What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to maintain the contact list. If you want to delete a contact, if you want a contact to unsubscribe your, marketing campaigns or email campaigns, you can do it in this video. First thing first, the link will be in the description. Click on that link, and you will be redirected to the Mailchimp dashboard. On the left-hand side, there will be an audience option. So here on this button, you will see the complete audience list. If you don't have the audience, then you can add the contact list using your CSV file, or either you can, add your add contact personally over here. Either way, you can upload a file or you can add it through your stores. So the other thing is subscriber preferences. In order to remove the subscribers, you will be able to do it from here. So there is a preference for, you have to create a preference center, then you go to the center, and then there will be an option to trigger a campaign for the unsubscribers. For example, if somebody that you know wants to unsubscribe, just click add the email address, first name, last name, and birthday. Then you can update the preferences, or either way, you can unsubscribe from all the emails. That is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.